Hello my friends. I am Hassan. I will be your guide to learning drawing in the simplest ways. In this video, I will draw a tiger in a simple way to help beginners practice drawing using ink and pencil. By redrawing with an ink pen after first identifying the shape to be drawn in pencil. This method will automatically make you able to draw animals easily, because it trains the hand to control fine lines and draw directly without resorting to traditional methods in which distances and dimensions are determined. So apply this method and you will notice that your level rises faster than usual. We will explain this in the video. First, we just outline the size of the drawing in the image with some fine, barely visible lines using a pencil. Then we start drawing lightly and without pressing the pen. The important thing is that it leaves no trace on paper. Lead is too light to be easily seen. But it doesn't matter. We just outline the outline of the shape to be drawn in pencil, and then it will be easy with ink. As you can see, I go from easiest to hardest, so I started from back to front, because the animal's head always has a lot more detail than the rest of the body. If you notice, you will find that the time for drawing the head and face is almost equal to the time for drawing the entire body. But you shouldn't rush and don't let the speed of the video fool you. Of course, you will erase a lot with the eraser until you reach a shape that you think is acceptable to you before you start using the inking. This method enables you time after time to know and determine the correct proportions between body parts without resorting to traditional methods, just from your personal artistic point of view. You see and draw what you see in a way that suits you. You can watch whatever educational methods you want. But in the end, if you are not good at drawing directly in this way, you still need a lot of practice. And as you can see with me, now that we've defined the pencil drawing, we're going to start redefining it in pencil. Again, from back to front so it's easier. Try this method and you will see that it is much easier and the result is better, especially when drawing animals. As for the lines on the tiger's body, I did not draw them with a pencil because they are more random than the lines on the face. So I can draw it the way I want directly with ink pen the way you see it. Focus carefully on the outer line when defining it with the ink pen so that it does not deviate from the original image. As you can see, the head is easy to draw because we first marked the important lines with a pencil. Now we redraw it using a ballpoint pen. We're almost done now, friends. My advice to you in this video, if you love drawing, is to practice as much as possible. Draw one shape several times until you reach the result you see fit. And don't rush. The tiger's face has similar lines on both sides, but in different proportions. Now we have reached the end of the video, friends. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.